which is high, Prince.
No,
Normally
normally
out of 10.
when you say 8 out of 10, yan yung pain na hindi ka na babalik.
Oh,
Kasi above the threshold yan eh. Normally pag mga 5, 6, pwede pa ilaban. Maybe yung painkillers, kaya pa. Pero yung 8, medyo mataas na yan eh. Hoping na lang na sana hindi talaga mamaga.
but again, he's still hoping to return in this match.
Oo, pero again, baka naman yung vision ng Arellano is the long game. Diba? Kasi mahabang series to. This is a best of 3 series. And game 1 pa lang.
Game 1.
Set number 2 pa lang.
And
So mahaba-haba pa.
after this, they'll have a couple of days off, Prince. So,
May
kumbaga,
time pa to
to
recover.
recover. Yan. Oh, Barbie, this time, ready na yung net defense ng Arellano. Dalawang sunod na puntos mula kay San Andres. So, nag-adjust na dito. Triple block. That's how much respect they give to Barbie.
Yun ang sign of respect. Ano? Kasi normally, yung mga outside, bibigyan ka ng dalawa eh. Yung middle at saka yung katapat ng outside, di ba? Pero yung tatlo ang ibibigay sa'yo, ibig sabihin ganun kataas yung respeto nila dun sa klase ng atake na pwede mong ibigay. Di ba?
And that's Barbie San Andres. 6 points already, one of the best in the league. One of the most talented scorers that we have. Scoring sinabi ko hindi serving. Pero magaling na server si Barbie. Nga lang ang serve niya ay, sabi nga nila, high risk, high reward.
Oo.
Diba? Laging loaded.
Full of power. Pero pag pumasok nga naman yung mga ganong klaseng serve, 50-50 yun kung masasalo o hindi.
Set up. Reyes. Arellano keeps this one in play. And it's still good. Ramos rising. Saved by Cateria. Agovida sends it over. Chance ball, Mapua. Oh, Reyes. Scores. Yeah, that's a point. Off the block and out. Good loaded hit from PJ Reyes, who continues to play well. Akadendang. Salvo. Bam! Sinuto with a point.
Oh, may konting stare down pa kay RJ.
Jiwen Sinuto. How about this?
One-on-one yun eh. One-on-one kumbaga. Tinapatan lang siya ni RJ eh. Kaya medyo nabigyan ng konting stare down. Konti lang.
Sabi niya, yun na yung RJ Ramos. Cross court, ganda naman ng save doon ng Chiefs. That's De Feria digging it up. Denied. Back row, denied again. Agovida touches the net though.
Pero dalawang block yun. Dalawang block. Yung pangatlo, yun lang. But if you're gonna look at this, tatlong different looks din yung binigay ng Mapua sa Arellano. Diba? Tatlong different players yung pumalo doon.
Yeah. So, ibig sabihin, nag-a-adjust na yung
yung parehas.
depensa.
Yung parehas. Especially yung depensa, diba?
Wow! Doming dito. With a stare down afterwards.
Tapos may konting suwag pa.
Combination of this side of the court. Mga ano yun 10 seconds. Nakatayo lang dun si Dominguito. What a point. Jump serve, derecho kay Ramos. RJ. This one was slowed down. Quick. Nice save. Kinaliwa. Outside. Musni sends it too strong, but we have a challenge.
Medyo hati yung mga players ng Mapua. Yung kalahati nagsasabi ng pasok. Yung kalahati nagsabi din na parang labas.
Survival tayo. Mas dikit yung second set natin, Arellano.
Pero again, itong game na to, yung pa isa-isang points na yan, importante yan eh. Especially up by 1 itong Mapua. And ayaw man nating sabihin kasi ayaw natin ng mga ganitong mga klase yung may mga nai-injury. Pero down ng isang player yung Arellano. And medyo key factor pa siya. Oh, that was really close. Oh, really close.
Outside,
Oh, mapapaisip ka nga naman talaga na parang umabot sa liga.
So, challenge is unsuccessful. -1 challenge for Coach Lawrence Cruz. Dominguito continues to serve for Arellano. The other guys need to step up for them. AC Ginto not yet available. This one slowed down by the net. Cateria gets his first point of the match. Nicely done by AU, beating the double block.
Oh, kanina lang si Cateria sumisave ng bola. Ngayon, umaatake na.
He's on that outside area. Better first ball here. Kinaliwa ni RJ. Salvo. Back to Cateria, who scores again. Cateria with back-to-back points. And this is now a total of a 4-0 run from the defending champions on the other side of the break. Eh, maririnig po natin ang report ni Aaron B.
We're still live here in the San Andres Sports Complex for the NCAA Season 101 Men's Volleyball Tournament. Martin and Prince, just before this game, I was going through my usual routine. I was speaking to the players, speaking to the coaches, getting their thoughts about this game and how they feel. And sinabi nga sa akin ni Barbie San Andres na may nararamdaman daw siya before every game and sinabi nga niya that he always feels if mananalo or matatalo yung team niya. Kunento nga sa akin ni Barbie na he's never been wrong with his predictions. And binanggit nga rin niya na pag nafe-feel daw niya na matatalo sila, hindi na daw niya sinasabi sa mga teammates niya to avoid the negative energy. But if nafe-feel niya na mananalo sila, sinasabi niya sa lahat. And the most interesting part about all of this is Barbie tells me he has never been wrong in his prediction. And ano nga ba ang prediction ni Barbie for today's game? It's that Mapua will win in either 3 or 4 sets. Martin and Prince?
All right, we'll get back to that.
That's a statement.
Timeout, yeah.
Oh, that's a statement.
Kailangan bumatay. Ngayon, kung bigyan mo, sige 5. Pero ito kasi yung first option natin. Kaya bigyan mo lang, foul. Tumalong ka ng todo. Yung receive sa 2, receive 2. Okay, let's go. What's up? Let's go! Okay, miss man!
9-5 here for Arellano University. Kaya napa-timeout na si Coach Lawrence Cruz. We'll see if Barbie's prediction is correct. 3 to 4 sets. And this is against the defending champs.
Oo, and again, sa kanya din naman nang galing yung kaninang statement na yung sila yung multo namin. Di kami pinatulog nito last season kasi isang panalo na lang
Finals na, no? May hugot sila. Cateria.
And dun sa first set, makikita mo talaga na yung determination nila at saka yung laman talaga ng bawat palo nila kung gaano kadiin, kabigat.
That's true. Cateria going wide on that hit.
Pero mabigat yung statement na yun. Tapos sinamahan pa na hindi pa siya nagkakamali sa mga prediction saka sa mga pakiramdam niya.
Mabigat yan. Agovida with the runway walk.
Napa-hair whip.
After this quick hit.
Napa-hair whip.
Singin muna. Tapos. Look away. 10-6. Mangulabnan to San Andres, who scores. Barbie with the conversion. 8 puntos na para kay Barbie San Andres. Musni with a float serve. Salvo, 1-2 play. Good pancake save from Musni. Push. This will be an underhand cross-court set, but Cateria, too much momentum. Yan o. Sobrahan lang sa buwelo itong si Wayne Cateria. Umahabol ng Mapua.
Pero yung ano kasi, yung set, medyo malayo-layo rin. Tapos under set pa.
Okay, dito tayo receive. Ka lang dito. O, dito lang. Tapos back row. Okay, pag walang pasa, gamitin natin yung block. Tapos cover lang tayo. Okay, kumpiyansa lang tayo sa receive, ha? Okay, go!
Oy, wag kayo magsayang ang score natin, pinaghihirapan natin yun. Eyo!
Inuuli po namin, pakipatay po ang mga
Okay,
flash
malinaw.
ng inyong cellphone. Maraming salamat po.
Mensahe mula kay coach, pati na rin sa mga players ng Arellano. Don't waste this momentum that you have and the lead that you kumbaga built here in the second set. Sumunod naman, sa likod inilagay, papunta kay Jiwen Sinudo. Yun nga lang, mababay ang gamit. 3-0 run.
Ito yung ano, ito yung mga yung pinag-usapan nila sa huddle kanina, no, na gusto nilang iwasan yung pa-isa-isang point kasi pinaghirapan nga naman nila talaga yung lamang. And makikita ko sa set number 1 kanina na yung Mapua, nung lumamang sila ng konti, kung paano nila iningatan yung lamang at saka pinalaki pa yung lamang, talaga namang pinus nila yun. And so, yung Arellano, gusto nila na ma-maximize din yung lead na meron sila.
They're trying to do it without their ace player in AC Ginto, who continues to recover from that ankle sprain he sustained earlier. What a dive, but it'll sail out.
Another perfect read. Galing dito kay Barbie. Parang sukat na sukat ni Barbie tong court no?
Yeah.
Si Barbie San Andres. Parang sukat na sukat.
Ano talaga, no? Home court.
Oo, parang home court talaga.
San Andres having his way offensively. Eto ulit siya. Cross court. Dug up. Oh, Cateria. San Andres with the ad-lib off speed. Wow.
That was a good save by Reyes. Kamuntik pa siyang na foothold doon. Pero yung katawan na yung lumagpas, iniwas niya talaga yung paa. Ano sa replay?
Napahiga na
Oo,
eh.
napahiga na siya. Huwag lang lumagpas yung paa niya.
But nice save from Reyes leading to a Barbie point. 10 points na para kay San Andres. Papawiin ni Jiwen Sinuto. So Arellano is back in front. But Mapua pumundar dun sa stretch na yon. AC is up. We'll see if he can come back in this match. San Andres fires a bullet.
Isiset ko sana galing dito, Mark. Babalik eh. Sa atin papunta eh.
Ito mo, gaano kalakas to? Napunta na sa amin. Barbie San Andres.
Oo, sa kabila pa niya pinalo yun ha. Tapos papunta sa atin yung ano. And kung makikita mo yung receipt na yun, tinanggap lang niya. Wala halos force yun na iangat.
Salvo. Combination for Dominguito. Arellano. Tit for tat here in this stretch with Mapua. Dominguito delivering. That down the line finish.
Di kitang laban.
Maganda to.
Mula sa defending champions at saka sa ano, Mapua.
Ramos, it's been a while, pero hindi makakapunto si Ramos. Agovida recovering. Oh, nakadandang.
Alley-oop. That was an alley-oop play. Pero mo alley-oop play yan.
Oh, yeah.
Dunk na yun eh.
True. Makadandang. Powers it through. Tabla tayo. Salvo to Agovida. Ramos, roofed. Grabe yung pagmamasid doon ni Agovida. Look at this. After the landing, sinisipat niya dito. Parang 1 minute yun eh.
Oh, parang binigyan niya ng, ng head to toe.
Oh, what an answer from PJ Reyes. So, ganito lang yung tema natin sa second set. Pauwian mula sa magkabilang panig.
Oo, pagandahan na lang ng pagandahan na lang ng playmaking.
Reyes had 20 points in that first game against San Beda. Dominguito. Ramos rejected by Agovida again. And Agovida is owning the moment.
Oo. Back to back yan. Back to back. Back to back Reyes block. Diba? I mean, if meron ka namang mabablock na nito ni RJ na alam mong punong-puno ng power yung palo, siyempre filled with emotions ka din eh.
Nakakaangat talaga ng kumpiyansa. Ibabalik nila kay RJ Ramos, and Agovida continues to shut him down. 16-14 for Arellano. They are first to the technical timeout. Balik sa ating laban, Mapua kontra Arellano sa ating ikalawang encuentro ngayong hapon na ito. Agovida has rejected Ramos 3 straight times. Look at this. Another rejection here, and of course, another lingering look. Make that 3 straight kill blocks by Agovida on RJ Ramos.
But again, the respect on that defense. Diba? Tatlong blocker palagi. Yung pinadadala nila kay Barbie, dito kay RJ.
Yeah. Cateria. Cateria showing sportsmanship, checking on Reyes.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko dito. Arellano is on fire.
Yeah. They have found their groove here. Wayne Cateria with some spark off the bench.
Can I just say, Cateria is one of the spark na parang kinakailangan nitong Arellano na medyo nakulang nung set number 1. Simula pumasok na si Cateria sa second set, siya yung nag-umpisa nung run nila eh. And since then, ayoko batiin, pero since then, they were on fire and on a roll.
And Wayne Cateria replaced AC Ginto when he got injured, who is up and about on the sidelines. Cateria inside. They'll look for a review here. Or no, this is good. Rather, Mapua will check if there was a touch on the ball.
Okay, March, habang nagre-review sila, may question ako. If ikaw yung Arellano and yung pumalit kay Ginto, maganda nilalaro, are you gonna risk putting Ginto back? Or make him rest and, you know, antay muna? Kasi medyo mainit pa eh. Maganda pa yung nangyayari. Kumbaga, nung first set, things aren't going their way. But this second set, ang ganda eh. Ang ganda ng rhythm nila. Ang ganda ng ikot nila. Yung groove nung anim na nasa loob, parang parang on point sila sa isa't isa eh.
Yeah. Oh man, no check. No check. Ooh.
Parang wala. Okay, successful ng no block shot.
Counter challenge by Arellano. Ball in, ball out ang kanilang titignan dito.
Oo, kasi syempre, yung lamang nila ang iniisip nila eh.
Yeah.
If they get this point, closer na sila dun sa 25.
Yeah.
And sila yung lamang. And like what I said kanina, pinag-usapan nila during the timeouts na yung mga puntos na nakukuha nila, hindi naman basta-bastang puntos lang. again, nawalan sila ng player na malaki yung share in terms of scoring sa team nila. So, yung bawat puntos na yan, pinaghirapan nila and kailangan nila talaga ma-maximize.
Clearly outside was that attack from Wayne Cateria.
But you know, I think that was a great challenge.
Yeah.
Diba? I think that was a great challenge.
Long pause. Longest pause so far of the match. 16-17 na. Agovida sends it away. And this has been a Agovida set.
Marks, I think itong second set natin parang Agovida Agovida Ramos. It's a face-off. It's a Agovida Ramos face-off.
Tumitin din, no?
Oo.
So, substitution here on the serve. Si Dan Boca.
Nako.
That hurt.
Oh, mabigat. Mabigat yung puntos na yun na binigay niya sa Mapua.
Kasi yun yung role niya.
Oo.
Di ba? And that's tough also to enter like that. Medyo malamig pa. So that's always the challenge if you're a service specialist.
Oh, pero kung mapapansin mo kasi, dito sa volleyball, bawat may dead ball or stop time, yung mga players, makikita mo nag-warm up sila sa gilid. Diba? If you're not gonna warm up properly, tapos bigla ang hinugot, talagang malamig ka. But kung medyo nagpainit ka na, tapos ready ka, yung mga ganyang moments, minamaximize mo yan.
This is a nice play earlier coming from Pangilinan, but Salvo overcooks the serve. Back-to-back service errors on Arellano. Eighth error from Arellano's side. To only 3 by Mapua, but Pangilinan keeps them in front by 2. So now it's Jake Pangilinan. Siya ang pinupuntahan dito ni L.A. Salvo. Ito na, si Juancho Barba. So, different flavor in playmaking ang hanapin dito ni Coach Lawrence. So, 4 points off the bench from Cateria. Back row hit. Above everybody, but it was saved.
Oh.
Dominguito making it look simple.
Normally, power tip pero ito, parang inabot na lang sa kanya ang bola. Pero mahirap saluhin yun. I mean, yung expectation mo na papaluin niya, ready ka sa block. Pero ilalagay lang pala sa harapan mo.
Beautiful placement by Barbie San Andres.
Calculated attack.
Look at this. He was approaching hard. They expected it to go right. Nilihis ni Barbie. 11 points now for San Andres. Mapua still fighting, trying to come back here in the second. Back set, Sinuto. Ramos off speed. Not gonna work. Underhand push. Barbie, siya yung nag-set up kay Ramos. What a sequence for the Cardinals.
Finally, RJ Ramos nakabutas din ng puntos. Note ko lang, wala si Agovida sa loob.
Nakaluhod na, walang ganun. Okay? Lipasa tayo ha. Ito receive natin. Si Buwan, Jake. Tumba. Dito lang. Okay? Pag magmadali mag-set, pag may pasa ha, tutok mo muna sa quick para tumalon. Singgelan, trabahuin mo. Ha? Okay? Kumpiyansa sa palo, wag magdadalawang isip ha.
So far, nakakasagot itong Arellano dito sa set number 2. Let's take a look at the exchange of points between our teams. 2 straight na para sa Mapua to cut into this lead. That's interesting, Wala nga si Agovida sa court. It's Sinuto and Pangilinan.
And ang hinanap nila, si Ramos. Para makabawi.
Dominguito. That one was slowed down. Barba finding Ramos again. Arellano throwing that triple block. Salvo. Sinuto outside. Tabla tayo. Tatlong sunod mula sa Mapua to equalize set number 2.
Parang merong block touch.
Okay, there's an addition of 4, so it's gonna be
Okay.
Arellano's
So
point.
after that, nakikita mo, sinasabi ng players ng Arellano sa Mapua na may block touch, pero sila lahat nagsisenyas ng hindi. Pero, si Makadangdang, ano? Si Makadangdang.
Alvin.
Pagtalikod niya, inamin niya na sa teammates niya agad.
Meron.
Oo, meron.
Back row hit from Barbie.
Para doon pala yun.
Okay. Para makaset up
Oo,
siya sa
para
kanila.
makaset up sila ng isang maganda.
13 puntos na para kay San Andres. Most of them coming from this set. Actually, halos pantay lang. Might have 7 points in this set alone. 21-22. G1 cross court. Inside for Sinuto. Arellano maintains the 2-point lead in this critical juncture of set number 2. Double sub para kay Coach Brian Vitug. Takulba coming in alongside BJ Cabrera. It's a bit of a risk for Coach Brian Vitug in the closeout moments of this set. Barbie from the pipe again, off speed ang diskarte. Dominguito nasobrahan sa angulo.
Okay, Marks. Nandito na ulit si Agovida sa loob. Binigay kay RJ. Nakuha nila agad yung block. Hindi napatay, pero nakakuha sila ng block.
Looks like he's the kryptonite of
I
Ramos today.
think Agovida is already in RJ's head.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Kasi
Might
yung
be.
volleyball game of ano yan eh. Mind games
Mind
yan eh.
games,
Oo.
yeah.
And pinipilit nilang pabawiin itong si RJ kay Agovida. Kasi china-challenge nila yung blocking ng Arellano. Again, panalo ang Mapua sa blocking set number 1. But set number 2, makikita natin mamaya yung stats in terms of net
Yeah,
defense.
AU might have the upper hand. Pero binalik na agad ni Coach Brian yung dalawa niya. LA Salvo is back alongside Wayne Cateria, Dominguito. All-arm Ramos, a little wild on that hit. So Arellano reaches set point situation.
I think kaya medyo malakas yun. Sinubukan niyang ipa-check ball.
Check out,
Kasi kung tumama man yun sa kamay, tas ganun kalayo, hindi mo na makukuha yun eh.
Okay! Hey!
Wala na, kalimutan.
Pasok
Wala
na.
na ating pumundos muna. Okay, sino sa harapan? RJ, sige, dalhin ulit sa 2. Advantage tayo dun sa kabila. Okay? Ano lang, Jay? Vision tayo, vision tayo. Vision tayo. Cover tayo pa rin, cover pa rin tayo.
Tsaga tayo. Dahan-dahanin lang natin. Let's go, tara!
Mapua regroups and they will attempt to inch closer here in set number 2. Pero Arellano siya nang tapusin dito sa rally natin. Si Jay Dominguito stepping up for the Chiefs today. He is on deck to serve.
Now at set point. Serving for the set, CJ Dominguito.
Makukuha
Could pick
kaya
up.
ng Arellano itong set
RJ,
na to.
yeah. RJ Ramos with a cross-court kill. It's been a while for RJ.
Tsaka yan yung inaantay niya eh. Yung matapat sa ulit kay Agovida. At mabigyan sa ulit ng chance na makapatay ng bago. Na-maximize naman niya.
24. Ramos with a safe serve. Salvo. Cateria. Outside. Takla tayo.
I might have jinxed it.
An extension in the second set. This one bounced off the net.
Oh, but that was close. Parang parang nadikitan na yun.
Oo.
Pero tumama rin yung bola eh.
Tumama rin,
Oh,
tama.
tumama rin yung bola eh. Pero parang nadikitan eh. And that's gonna be a crucial challenge if they get this point.
Panalo para sa Arellano o panabla para sa Mapua.
Mabibigyan ng chance ulit.
We'll see kung anong verdict dito. But I saw one of the linesmen signal a check ball actually. Kanina. Yung nandito. Pero na-overrule ng ating first referee. He was the one who decided outside. Ito po, ang Mapua Cardinals up a set against Arellano. We'll see, 23-24. And our coaches just utilizing their challenges.
Oo, kasi hindi mo na magagamit. Hindi mo na makikarry over yan sa susunod na set ka.
Gamit na gamit dito yung mga challenge natin. 24-23. Good sized crowd as well on a Tuesday afternoon, March 24th.
Oo, medyo parehas malapit eh. Parehas malapit ang venue natin sa campus eh.
Legarda galing ang Arellano. Intramuros, itong Mapua. Was there a net touch? Ooh!
Parang
I
dahil
think so.
dun sa tama ng bola.
Dahil sa tama.
Dahil sa tama ng bola, yung recoil ng net.
How about downstairs? Oh, no net touch.
Okay, so dahil lang doon sa bola, kaya dumikit. Oo nga, paano nga kung ganun, ano? Diba? Pero again, so sila ang nag-rule niyan. Tinawagan nila na no net touch. Although parang may tumama. Pero because tinamaan ng bola yung net, yung recoil ng net, dumikit sa player. Diba? So, hindi siguro net touch yun.
So, an extension here in the second set.
Oh!
Is received. A service ace by RJ Ramos.
Take note, libero. Libero yung dinala niya ng bola.
Si Keith De Feria, yung dinaan nun. Ramos with his 9th point. And Mapua takes over the lead and are now at set point all of a sudden. 3 straight points for the Cardinals. Algovida overcooks that, and Mapua takes the 2-0 lead.
Oh, that was a complete turnaround for set number 2.
From 2 points down, Mapua was able to save 2 set points and then completing a 4-0 run to take the win in set number 2.
34 minutes for set number 2.